Why do you build me up? Buttercup, baby, just to let me down and mess me around, and the worst of all.
What is going on, guys? I am back with my first video of 2021, and this is going to be something a little bit different. Now, you might be wondering why my desk is all cleared off. Well, it's because tonight I am going to build this model of my favorite coaster at Hersheypark, Great Bear. That is right, ladies and gentlemen. I am building this thing tonight, and it's going to be stand out on that nightstand right there. And so this is so exciting. And anyways, yeah, let's get building on this thing, my dudes. Ta-da! Here it is, guys, my model of Great Bear, my very own model of my favorite coaster at Hersheypark. And I'm sorry I forgot to take a time-lapse video of me, like, actually putting in the supports and stuff, and, like, placing the track pieces where they need to go. I was just busy doing that. And you see, this video is now going to come out later than expected because I expected it to be able to come out on New Year's Day, but I spent so much time in the last hours of New Year's Day building this Great Bear model right here. And so anyways, yeah, here is my Great Bear model. So comment down below what you think of this. Are you excited that I now have a model of my favorite coaster at Hersheypark and my most ridden coaster at Hersheypark? And make sure to stay tuned for a lot more videos coming soon to Coaster Plus Music 19. And I will see you in the next